It is your boy Fred on the beat.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Quita B. I'm back with another video, and I'm doing a video on this hair that I have in my hair. Yes, it's beauty supply store hair, and it is 30 inches long. Before I get into the details about this video, please make sure you click the subscribe button below. Tell your friends, your daddy, your uncle, your sister, your daughter, your niece, everybody. Tell them to come back. Tell them to come to this channel, subscribe to my channel. Also, like this video as well. So I'm going to get into the details of this video. So I have this hair in my head. The hair is called Organic. Let me get the thing so I can tell you guys the exact details and what the packaging look like. All right, so this hair is called Organic Body Wave Master Mix. It's 30 inches and I got it in Body Wave. I wanted and also the color 1B. I wanted it bone straight, but the beauty supply store was sold out of it. This is what the packaging looked like. So I'm sure you can find this at your local beauty supply store, any beauty supply store. It's not a specific beauty supply store, nothing special. I'm sure every beauty supply store sells this. But let me give y'all the details on this hair. Y'all, I see that y'all like for me to give y'all the tea on this hair. So I'm gonna give y'all all the tea, tell you what this hair about. You know, so first let me start off by saying this hair was $9.99. Yes, y'all, $9.99. 10 whole smackaroos, gas money, lunch money, dinner money. This was $10 a pack for this 30-inch hair. I'm gonna insert a clip of well, first let me tell y'all what I did first. So as you can tell, I do have my leave out, out. I'm natural, so my hair is not really blending in with the weave. Well, it is blending in, but I didn't really take the time to actually get my hair to blend in because I don't normally leave my leave out because I hate dealing with my real hair. I hate putting too much heat to it. But I wanted to do something with this hair. I didn't have time to find a closure. I didn't feel like finding a closure. I decided to make a U-part wig with this hair. So I bought 5 packs of this hair where they come in bundles. As you can see when I insert the clip of me basically creating this U-part wig, they come in bundles. So I bought 4 bundles of Body Wave 1B 30-inch hair, and I made a U-part wig. That was my first time making a U-part wig. I just wanted to see if I could do it. That's the only reason why I did my leave out. I wanted to see if I could create a U-part wig. What I will say is making a U-part wig, you don't have to do basically the way that I did it. My technique, I used the hot glue gun, but that's because I ran out of hair glue. So I probably would have used the hair glue instead of the hot glue gun if I did have my hair glue. I ran out of it. But make sure, because in the video what I did was I doubled up the wefts and then I also put them close together. What I would suggest is if you guys do the U-part wig, space it out a little bit more so that it doesn't expand the wig cap and make the U-part wig way too big for your head. I also think that with me using a hot glue gun, it expanded the wig and made it a little bit too big, but I did make it work. But I made a U-part wig, so it's basically a wig from like right here on back. I also wanted a long part, so it goes all the way back here and then all the way to the back as well. I have my leave out. I'm going natural. I've been natural for a couple months now, so this whole little journey is just, I'm not used to this. I'm used to putting that, smacking that relaxer on my head, and my hair just, I don't know. Like I said, I normally don't have leave out because I don't like putting heat to my hair, but I decided to do a U-part wig. I will be taking this U-part wig out. I will be saving this hair because I really do like this hair. Before I get into the details of this hair, I'm going to insert the clip of how I made the U-part wig and how it looked when I finished the U-part wig. So basically this is after I finished the wig. Sorry that the video quality looks like this, guys. I'm not sure why, but basically somehow I lost the footage of me making the wig, the whole wig. What I can do is once I find it, if you guys would still like for me to upload it, I could still upload how I made it, or I can make another wig and I'll just upload how I made the U-part wig. This is my first time anyway, so if I was to do it again, it'll probably be better the second time around. But just comment if you guys would like for me to upload a video on how I make a U-part wig. But anyway, what I'm doing right here is I'm just cutting off that excess in the middle where my leave out is going to go on the U-part wig. And this is just how the wig look after I finish gluing all the tracks onto the wig. So you guys see how I made the U-part wig. I did insert a clip of what my braided pattern looked like. My hair looked crunchy as fuck. Honestly, if you guys see this clip, I don't even know if I'm gonna even add that clip or not. It just depends on how I feel. But my real hair was looking crunchy as fuck because I had washed my hair and then I had braided it up on my own. I don't really like braiding my hair. I usually have my mom braid my hair up. But honestly, I didn't even use, I probably don't even need to insert that clip because honestly, I didn't even, I installed the wig when I braided it, but I did my braids wrong. So the next day I had to take the braids all the way down. I had to take the U-part wig off, take the braids down, and I had my mom braid it over the correct way. Like I said, this was my first time doing the U-part wig. So now I know from trial and error, if I was to do it again, how my braid pattern should be. And yeah, so I had my mom braid it over, and then I had her install the U-part wig for me because I was brushing that day. I had plans that day, and I just felt like if I was to do it, it was going to take longer than what it needed to take. So anyway, I'm going to get into the details of this hair. So this hair is 30 inches. It is synthetic hair. It's not real hair, of course, for $10. Honestly, you get what you get what you pay for at this point. Honestly, I had this hair in for a whole week. So I had this hair installed for a whole week. I wanted to see how it would act if I was to have this hair in for a whole week. And honestly, just to be honest with you guys, I'm not even gonna lie to you. This is, excuse me. Honestly, I will buy this hair again. I'm just gonna be honest with you. It's very cheap. I will buy this hair again. It's something that, you know, you could buy for a quick little hairstyle. If you trying to go out a weekend, if, you know, you ain't really got no money like that, you trying to save money. If you got the money, you just trying to save money, and you trying to have a cute little hairstyle, I will buy the hair if I was you. I will buy it. Because honestly, you can't really, first of all, what I'm gonna say is, you can, with this hair, I'm gonna say it does tangle in the back a little bit. It does tangle, but if you're not carrying around a brush and brushing your hair throughout the day, even with you having Brazilian, Peruvian, or whatever type of human hair, what are you doing? Because all hair is gonna tangle in the back, especially if you have extremely long hair. But this isn't real hair, so I'm not gonna expect for this hair to act, I'm not gonna expect for this hair to act more than what it is. So it is extremely long hair. I basically be sitting on the fucking hair. I'm gonna stand up and show y'all like how long ago, where it go to, you know, my height and all that. But I just want to get this out the way first. The hair does take a little bit since I've been having it in my hair. My hair, I had it installed for a whole week, literally going to work, going to sleep, taking a shower, all that with this in my head. What I will say is I do recommend that if you do decide to get this hair, this is something that's temporary. It's not anything that's gonna last you months unless you like really know how to take care of hair like that. I would suggest that if you don't like to put much heat to your hair, or if you don't have time to keep blending your hair in, because honestly my hair is lighter than a 1B, and so it's not blending as much as I would like it to. My hair is lighter than a 1B, which I don't know when that happened, but apparently it is. And my whole life I thought I was a 1B, but I learn something new every day. But I would suggest finding a cheap closure at the beauty supply store. They do sell them at the beauty supply store. And if you plan on making a wig, just make a closure wig. I'm sure the hair will still blend in. Just make sure you get a 1B closure. Another thing is you could do a style with a bang. You could still make a wig and do a style with the bang or whatever. That would be cute. I just basically suggest that you do something that you could take on and off every day, because it'll keep the hair up longer. It will keep the hair up longer and also less tangling as well, because you don't have all that friction in the back, or you're not dealing with the hair as you sleep and all that, so you ain't got to really deal with it. You could just set the hair up on a hair stand or whatever. So that's why I would suggest, that's probably, if I was to make another, I'm more than sure I'm gonna go buy some more of this hair, and I'm probably gonna make a wig with a bang probably. So the next time I do it, I'll probably do something that I could take on and off or whatever. And yeah, that's what I would suggest about this hair. Like I said, the hair is not bad at all. The only thing that I will say is, after me having this hair in for a week, I'm probably gonna trim the ends. I'm gonna show you guys what it looked like when I stand up and how long it is. So this is the hair, and as you can see, you can't really see because I'm so, let me see if I can stand up on this chair. It goes all the way down. Oh shit. It goes all the way down to you can't really see, but it goes all the way down to like past my butt. Like it goes down, yeah, literally. It goes down past my butt. That's how freaking long this is, and I'm 5'7", and it goes down past my butt, y'all. 30 fucking inches for $10. You cannot beat that, period. So that's my piece about this hair. Like I said, it is a good product or good hair for $10. Like I said, it's not no human hair, so you cannot expect for it to do things that human hair will do. You have to expect for it to do things that $10 hair will do for 30 inches. But that's my piece. I just wanted to come to y'all and give y'all the tea on this hair, and that's basically it. If you guys want to see more of these type of videos, please click the like button. Please comment below. Tell your friends, tell everybody to come watch this video. Thank you guys so much for the support. I really appreciate it. Also, do not forget my giveaway video. I will be giving away $150 once I hit 200 subscribers. I'll be giving one of my lucky subscribers $150. So make sure, if you haven't watched that video and if you haven't participated yet, make sure you go to that video and participate, so that maybe you could be one of my lucky winners, well, one of my lucky subscribers that win that $150. Also, I did do a video on this eyeshadow look. So if you guys want to see how I created this look, make sure you go watch that video as well. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I really appreciate you. I hope you come back, and that's it for this video. Oh guys, also make sure you comment what type of videos you would like to see me do as well. I do have some ideas in mind, and just make sure you guys comment below. I think in a video that I have coming up, I feel like you guys are gonna love it, because a lot of people personally have been asking me personally to help them with this. So I feel like you guys are gonna love it, this video that I'm doing soon. But also comment below what type of videos you guys would like to see me do as well. But that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye. Bye.